Telegram unable to send messages. If you're facing this issue, then here is an easy solution. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Pipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix or how you can easily fix Telegram unable to send messages error. Now the process is simple. You want to scroll down your notification bar and you want to tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you do so, you'll be headed into your phone settings. Now on your phone settings, you want to scroll down until you find the option apps. Simply search in for apps option and then simply tap on it, and once you do so, here you can either scroll down and search in for Telegram, or from the search panel you can search in for Telegram. Once you search for it, you want to simply tap on it and you want to scroll down and head into the option storage. And once you tap on storage, here at the bottom of your screen you can see two different options that says manage storage and clear cache. You want to simply tap on manage storage option. Once you tap on manage storage, you want to simply tap on three dots option at the top right corner of your screen, and you can see clear local database option popping up. You want to simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, it'll ask you, are you sure you want to clear your local database? You want to simply tap on clear. What this does is this will reset your application and it'll fix any issues with the app as well. So this way you can fix Telegram unable to send messages. Once you do so, you want to log in back to your account and it'll be good to go. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.